In this video, I'll show you how to turn off Windows Defender on your PC. First, open the Start menu and type in Windows Security. Click on the app to open it. Once you are inside Windows Security, click on Virus and Threat Protection. Then click on Manage Settings, which you will find just below the Virus and Threat Protection Settings section. Now you will see an option called Real-Time Protection. It will be toggled on by default. Click on it to toggle it off. If it does not let you turn it off, you may need to turn off Tamper Protection first. Scroll down and find Tamper Protection and toggle that off. Then go back and turn off Real-Time Protection. Once you toggle it off, Windows Defender will be temporarily disabled. Keep in mind that this is not permanent. Windows will automatically turn it back on after a short period of time or after you restart your PC. So if you just need it off for a few minutes to install something or make a quick change, this method works perfectly. That is how you do it.